The outdated news story idea seems a bit like a boring history lesson, and it actually kind of makes me wonder what makes history interesting to people in the first place, because a bunch of people seem to want to learn about history, and I'd be interested to see why you think that is. So you should try to address that in the next video, and anybody else, you should just comment and tell me why you think history is interesting and worth learning. I really enjoy learning about some aspects of history because it kind of helps me feel like I'm part of some sort of weird collective consciousness and that thing is immortal. Just because if you think of humankind as some ongoing being that lasts longer than any individual lifetime, and you think of the history of any particular science or art or any sort of thought as just that being learning, it's really interesting. It's interesting for me to learn about the history of any individual science because at the beginning of any science there's just some people who thought really hard and came up with some stuff, and it's nothing that any individual can't do, but then over time humans read the stuff that the first people wrote down and then built off that, and they have expanded it to something that no human could possibly do, and that's really cool. Like right now, the amount of knowledge humans have about math is more than any individual could possibly come up with. Even the smartest people in the world couldn't just invent arithmetic and then geometry and calculus and algebra and all that stuff just from common sense. But all those maths were invented over time by people, so humankind as a collective has thought of all those ideas and has invented every bit of math that we know. And I like the histories of arts for a similar reason. I've mostly studied the history of music, and that I find really interesting because there are just these trends that happen over time. Music in the 1600s sounded different than music in the 1700s did, and when you listen to a piece of music you can generally tell about what year it came from. And again, no individual could write all the music that has been written, but individuals are responsible for all the music that has been written. So if you look at humankind as a collective, it's just this one giant entity that has existed for thousands of years, and it has written all these great pieces of music, and it just goes through phases every now and then where it writes different styles. So when I learn about the history of psychology, I feel like I'm more part of that entity. I'm not exempt from this giant ongoing beast that keeps learning. When I start to know a decent amount about any particular topic, I just feel like I'm kind of in that collective. If I did a study that had some conclusion that hadn't previously been drawn, then I'm one of the individuals pushing that humankind forward as a collective. So I'm making a contribution to the learning of the immortal thing. And then when I learn about the history of music and then I write music, I more feel like I'm part of that collective too, because that humankind is responsible for the music of Mozart and then Beethoven and then other people and then me. And it all really puts humanity in perspective a little bit. And I think the study of history in that way is kind of a spiritual experience. I think there's an innate human drive to feel like there's something beyond life and that you're part of something greater than yourself. And spirituality and religion both kind of satisfy that, but for me, the study of history satisfies it. Kind of satisfies the want for there to be a life after death, because you know there is life after your death, just unless you're in touch with that collective, the life of that collective kind of doesn't matter, so the life after death is meaningless. So I think for me, the study of sciences, arts, and the history of those sciences and arts kind of satisfies the same kind of innate desires that religion or spirituality would satisfy. I don't know how many other people feel this way about history, but that's kind of the way I get into it, so definitely share more opinions, comment and respond and do whatever. I'm interested to hear more thoughts.